Hello little kids, look what I have here. I guess it's puzzle. Let's try to solve it. First we have 0. It's number. Is it 0? I guess it's more like O, letter, not a number. Do you think it's 2? No? Okay, let's try to fit it. Oh, it fits perfectly. You was right, little kids. Okay, let's try another one. Another 1. That's gonna be easy. That's the number 1. What color is it? It's yellow. Of course, little kids. Let's put it right here. It fits perfectly. Look, I hide 2 numbers and you don't see 2 of them. And next number, 2. 2. Let's place it right here. Fits perfectly, like always. Next we have 3. Where is my 3? Oh, there you go, our 3. Place it right here and it fits perfectly. Next up we have 4. Is it 4, little kids? I guess it's more like 9 or 6, I don't know. Do you think so? No? Why? Okay, I guess I'm wrong. Then, is this a 4? You think so? Okay, let's try to fit it. Oh! Look, it fits perfectly. Okay, I guess you're better than me at this game. Let's try the next layer. First layer is finished. Oh, sorry. You are the good one. This it's number 5. Is it number 5? Okay. Yeah, you got it. You're too good at this game, kids. 5. Next up we have 6. That's easy. 6. Everyone knows that this is 6. Then we have a 7. Is it 7? Yeah, it's 7. What? It's 17. Oh, okay, it's 2 numbers. Okay, then is this a 7? I guess so. Oh, it's not fitting, guys. Oh, sorry. Okay, guys, you're better than me. It's 7. Next one, we have 8. Is it 8? It's more like snowman, I guess. And it's yellow. Okay, let's try to put it there. And there you go. There you go. It perfectly fitted. Then we have 9. I guess 6 can be 9. Look, it fits perfectly. But it's cheating. We can't do it. Let's put it here and try to find the 9. Is it the 9? No, it's 6. But if you turn it up, it's gonna be 9. Let's place it right here. You're doing amazing job. We have 2 layers finished. And our next problem that we don't have the plus, minus, times, again plus, or it's percent, and equals. Let's try to find them. What is this, little kids? Maybe it's percent or times. Yeah, it fits perfectly. But I guess that this is plus. Yeah, look, it fits perfectly. Then we have the minus. Is it the minus? You're my little genius, of course it's minus. Let's place it right here. Look, it fits perfectly. Then we have percent. The way it looks like the plus one, but look, it have the little things right here. And it's don't fit. Then I guess it's gonna be times. Let's try to find my times. Yeah, there's my times. I can't find it and I'm running out of time. It's times. Then we have, of course, oh, it's not a percent. What is this then? If you know, little kids, leave the answer in the comments. I'm gonna be waiting. And the last one, it's always equals. Equals. Nice, you're doing amazing job. And then we have to our last levels. First of all, we have 10. It's 1 and 0. 1 and only 10. There you go, it's our 10. Let's place it right here and it fits perfectly. Then we have 11. It's 1 and 1. 1, 1, 11. Nice, we're doing amazing job. And there we have 12. It's 1 and 2. Like this. 1 and 2. 12. Place it right here. Nice. Then we have, look, it's kinda logical. 1, 2. There we have, of course, 3. 1, 2, 3. 13. Place it right here. Oh, 1, 2, 3, and there 4. But it sounds like 14. 14. We'll place it right here. Then we start the last layer. We finished with 4. After 4 we have 5. And then of course we have 15. It don't sound like 15, okay? It's 15. Let's place it right here. Then we have 16. 5, 6, 6. 16. It's kinda easy, I guess. 7. 5, 6, 7. 1, 7. It's 16 and it's 17. It's super easy, little kids. Then we have 18. 8. Place it right here. And then we have the last piece. 19. 6, 7, 8. And there you go. We solved that all. Guys, look at this beauty. I'm so much in love with these puzzles. See you in the next videos, guys. Bye bye.